Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to delete Snapchat account permanently. So first of all, open Snapchat account. After that, click on to profile icon. Look at the right corner, tap on setting icon. Scroll down, but not shown here to delete option. So go to I need help. Delete my account. Tap on here Snapchat account portal. Scroll down, select delete my account. Finally, type on your password. Okay, now done. Now successfully delete Snapchat account permanently. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial debate channel for more video.